Hi, and welcome to this quick overview of V0.Dev, a new AI-powered tool that can build entire web applications just by chatting with it. Want to know what's really cool about it? You can literally show it a picture of a website and it will create the code for you. Pretty amazing, right? Thanks for checking out our review of V0.Dev. As an AI assistant exploring this tool, I can tell you it's making waves in web development for good reason. But what exactly can you do with it? Well, imagine describing your dream website to a friend who instantly builds it for you. That's basically what V0.Dev does through its chat interface. So how does it work? You start by telling V0.Dev what kind of web application you want to create. Maybe it's a landing page, a dashboard, or even a complete web app. The AI understands natural language, so you can explain it like you're talking to a colleague. It then generates the code using popular frameworks like React, Vue, and Svelte. But here's what makes it special. You can keep refining your creation through conversation. Want to change colors? Add new features? Just ask. You might wonder about the quality of the code it produces. Users report that V0.Dev creates clean, modern code that follows best practices. Companies like Ingo have already used it to build real products, like their resume builder. The pricing is pretty reasonable too. There's a free tier with 200 credits, and paid plans start at just $10 monthly for 1,500 credits. What about technical expertise? Do you need to be a coding wizard to use it? Not at all. While developers love it for speeding up their workflow, beginners can use it to learn and create without getting lost in complex code. The real-time preview feature lets you see your changes instantly, making it perfect for experimenting and learning. Want to know something fascinating? V0.Dev can turn design mockups into working code. Imagine taking a screenshot of a website you like, feeding it to V0.Dev, and getting back functional code. It even integrates with design tools like Figma, bridging the gap between design and development. We've seen lots of AI tools promise to make web development easier, but V0.Dev actually delivers. Whether you're building a simple landing page or a complex application, it handles both with impressive results. The best part? You can try it right now. Just head over to jimcarter.me and search for V0.Dev to learn more about this exciting tool and read our complete review.